Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is building your own X-Wing, well, my own X-Wing, from DeAgostini. Right, let's have a look. This is issue number 38, and so we're motoring on there, we're getting there. The halfway mark is approaching. Let's have a look. The X-Wing stories, the Rogue Squadron novels. I really enjoyed Rogue Squadron. The series was brilliant. At the Empire was also very good, but they don't count anymore. They're not the canon storyline anymore. They're stories or legends, I think they called it. But anyway, still good. Worth a read. If you've not read them, go back and read them. The Back to War, Wedge's Gamble, yeah, they were all great. I like them. I remember bits from them. I can't remember all the storylines because it's many years since I read them, but very good. Oh, 1996, that one. So yeah, it's been a while. But anyway, now the stuff that does still count, we have Rey. Obviously, bits about her because she's a pilot as well. So there we go. That's that. And then we are on to the page that I can't turn. Yeah, there we go. The lower starboard wing. Just what we've been waiting for. Another wing, because we haven't got enough. We've got 3 laser cannon things, but only 2 wings at the moment. So we're starting on the next wing. So as ever, we'll make sure we've got the right parts. We have the wing, the top skin, some parts here, trailing edge details, power couplings, plant on details, and the laser cannon support. Some more plant on details in there in a couple of different colours, and finally the trailing edge detail itself. These are obviously that colour plastic but painted to make it this sort of mushroomy colour. But there we go. So we've got all the parts that I need. I shall put them to one side again. I'll fire up the picture-in-picture machine in post. I'll fix it. So I shall move the instructions out of the way, just so I can still see them. But you don't need to see them. You can probably see a little bit in the corner there, but I'll put the picture-in-picture over that anyway. So we are taking the lower skin, the laser cannon support, and the plant on details. Is that all of those? Yep. That bit, that bit, that bit, and that bit. And we're going to be putting these in the place. The detail labelled A in the main diagram into this recess. So the big bit goes on the big bit. Obviously you can tell which way round it goes because it'll only go one way round. 2 little pins going into 2 little sockets. That was easy. Detail B is red. That's quite convenient. That tells me that. Let's get that the same way around as it is in the picture. We'll get the red bit, and that's going to go on the red bit, funnily enough. There we go. That's that on there. For detail C, fits in there, matching the red grey paint. This is one that's red with a grey stripe on it, which is going to go on there, which is mainly red with a little grey stripe on it. Can't quite feel where that locates. There we go. There we go. That's that. D has different sized pins. Yeah, one is bigger than the other, as we can see there. Ensure it's the right way around to go in there, because that one's bigger than that one, so it's that way around. On there like that. And then finally, the laser cannon support goes on the end there, with the flat side towards the wing tip, so that way around. Probably remember how to do this from last time, but if we don't, then you know that's what the instructions are for. Right, then we are turning it over. We're bringing in our 2 magnetic power coupling things. They've got different shapes on the backs of them. They're both labelled 1 conveniently because they're obviously different. One's got 1 hole, one slot, and one's got 2. Obviously they go there and there, and the bit with 1 goes over the bit with 1, and the bit with 2, funnily enough, goes over the bits with 2. Not that it really matters a great deal with these because they're all going to be covered up by the other skin, but we'll worry about that. So that was that and that, all of that. So the inside wing should look like that, and indeed it does. Just like that indeed, yes. Right, then we're getting the trailing edge. Now remember these being a right pain. So we shall see. It only goes one way round. with the thicker piece on the thicker piece. So we'll see if they fixed it and made this easier. Well, that went in quite easy. That was quite nice. That was alright. That was alright. Yes, they have improved over the course of the weeks. So that actually fits in there quite nicely now. There we go. And the underside of the wing should look like that. And it does. And that completes the assembly for this stage. The last page shows a bit from Force Awakens running towards the Falcon. Very nice. I like that. Dude, it's yeah. People don't like it, but I like it. It's good. Now I notice this has a 2 on it, so hopefully that's going to help with some identification. I don't remember the others having numbers on them, although we can't see the numbers anymore because they're covered by giant engine pieces. But yeah, there we have it. That's that. Thank you for watching. A quick short episode because a couple of the other ones have been a little bit longer. But yeah, it looks like wing action for the next couple of issues as well. So, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed issue 38. Stick with me soon. There will be issue 39 and then soon after issue 40 as well. So I've received all 5 issues this month. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.